Sunflower, 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 it's raining heavily. Shall we stay here? Open you till the rain is over. My favorite fellows, the red and the yellow ones. You can stay with me till it stops. But I cannot let in here the white one. No dear, we want to stay here, sending away our friend in dismay. Good Lily, it's raining heavily. Open your petals wide and take us into hide. My favorite one, the white one. You can stay with me till it stops raining, but I can let in here only the white one. No dear, we want to stay here, sending away my friend in dismay. It's raining. What shall we do? Who will help us into? Poor butterfly, I will help them. Go away, cloud.